real estate finance class. It's important to learn how to use a financial calculator. I don't have a crystal ball as to where house prices are going to go, but I want to share one important metric with you that you'd be very familiar with if you learned how to use a financial calculator. It'll put you head and shoulders above the rest of the real estate investors when you know how to use one of these things. Now, if the median price of a home in America is somewhere around $400,000 and they bought that house, let's say a year ago when interest rates were around 3%, the payment on that was about $1,680 some per month. I think it was $1,686. Now, with interest rates having touched 7%, the payment on that $400,000 house is now $2,661, almost $1,000 more per month. Remember, folks, when people buy a house, they're really not buying a house based on the price. They're signing up for a 30-year payment plan and buying a house based on what they can afford per month. As far as I'm aware, people's take-home pay didn't go up $1,000 a month. So that is going to have somewhat of an impact on real estate prices and the real estate market in general. And if you ask me, it's high time we get prepared to literally clean up and help some of these sellers who aren't going to be able to close on their house without having to bring money to the table. And if that's the case, we can take over their payments and build an extraordinary portfolio of low interest real estate that we can cash flow and make an absolute fortune on. Let me show you how to do this, folks. Get my free trainings and we'll get you squared away.
If you're gonna watch me, at least follow me, bitch.